If you're still thinking about AI as a writing assistant, well, you're way behind. In 2025, AI isn't just helping with content, it's redefining how lead gen works from top to bottom. Right now, B2B founders who know how to wield the right AI tools are generating better leads, starting smarter conversations, and skipping the hire an SDR phase entirely. So in this video, I'm going to break down how AI is changing B2B lead generation practically, not hypothetically. No fluff, no theory, just what's working now. So what's broken in traditional lead gen? Well, let's be honest. Most modern lead gen is still a grind. SDRs waste hours qualifying junk. MQLs, marketing qualified leads, simply don't close. Founders drown in, well, maybe later replies. And why? Because they're still relying on manual research, rigid scoring models, and one-size-fits-all messaging. AI flips this entire model, gives you better targets, better timing, and better conversations. Let's walk through how. AI helps you find better leads faster. Forget generic contact list. AI now builds hyper-targeted profiles based on real-time signals. Here's a simple set of use cases. Clay plus OpenAI can scrape roles, tech stacks, funding updates, and qualify leads before you even start reaching out. Apollo's AI scoring helps predict who's likely to convert based on actual historical data. Mutiny and Clearbit personalizes your site for ICP visitors before they fill out a form. And here's a founder tip. Ask ChatGPT this specific prompt. You're a CFO at a mid-market SaaS. What makes you say yes to a demo? You'll unlock pain points and objections worth building your entire list and message around. AI personalizes outreach at scale. The hi first name mail merge era is dead. AI lets you send personalized cold emails at scale without sounding like a robot. Here's some of the tools to use. Lavender. It scores and rewrites cold emails before they even go out of your inbox and make them feel more human. Smart Lead rotates inboxes and tests variations automatically. Another solution to this is Instantly. Clay plus ChatGPT helps pull in LinkedIn activity, job changes, or podcast quotes into your cold email template. Here's a winning cold email framework. Line 1, context. Why them? Line 2, relevance. How does it connect? Line 3, curiosity. Start to intrigue them. Line 4, make a clear ask. P.S. This is an optional and an excellent place for social proofing and name dropping. This is how you write a one-to-one at scale. AI predicts who's ready to talk. One of AI's biggest breakthroughs is the concept of predictive lead scoring. Now you don't have to wait for someone to fill out a form. AI can score leads based on behavior, company data, and psychographics. Push high likelihood leads to sales instantly and reduce handoff friction between marketing and sales. Here's some examples. Using HubSpot or Salesforce AI models, recommend who's ready to convert. Score leads in real time using signals across your funnel. In LeadSpace combines CRM, third-party intent data for outreach prioritization. Bonus tip. Use Gong or Chorus to coach reps. Post-call using transcript analysis. Total game changer. AI lets you A/B test without guesswork. Testing used to take weeks. AI cuts that down to hours. Founders can now generate multiple variants of email copy, ads, or CTAs. Optimize based on real-time feedback. Adapt tone or message instantly for various different personas. Here's some tools to try. Copy.ai Workflows builds full nurture sequences with AI and performance data. ChatGPT, creating custom GPTs. Prompt GPT to rewrite copy for specific personas or tones. Try this prompt. Rewrite this cold email for a skeptical CFO in 100 words or less. You'll get testable variations instantly. AI enhances the founder or the SDR workflow. Whether you're doing outbound yourself or managing a team, AI acts like real-time sales assistant. Here are some examples. Instant prospect research, role-specific objection handling, demo prep that's actually useful. Here's a real-world prompt. Summarize the last 3 emails this lead got. Read their LinkedIn profile. Suggest 3 personalized opening questions for our upcoming call. Within seconds, you've got buyer context, talking points, and conversion-ready posture. This is where AI multiplies your effectiveness without adding headcount. A couple of final thoughts. AI doesn't replace you. It's going to multiply you. AI doesn't close deals for you. It amplifies your strategy. lead gen still requires a clear ICP, sharp messaging, and founder-level insights. But now, AI gives you scale without sloppiness, precision without burnout, and time back to lead and sell. This is founder leverage. If this was helpful, if you want to build a smarter AI-powered lead generation system, I suggest you subscribe to myexecutivebrief.com. In here, I give weekly briefings on what's actually working in outbound AI and B2B growth, or you can schedule a discovery session with me at BillRiceStrategy.com. We'll map out a custom AI integrated outbound strategy for your next 90 days. No SDR squad required, just smart systems. Stay focused, stay precise, and keep building.